secrets out. Yeah, buddy. Yes, scalp. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today I'm going to show you how I got the best meltdown in Beauty with Ty history. No, seriously. Let's get into it. Alright, you guys. Oh my god, so much.
Some wig caps, okay, a bonnet, elastic band, a headband, a melt band, it says what's tips on it, lashes.
This is HD lace, 26 inches, 180% density. Girl. But let's get into it. Ooh, and this straight hair is so soft. I love it. This is a full 13x4 frontal. You see you have lace 4 inches on each side. It does not swoop in, so that's perfect. You can do a lot of styles with this wig. Hairline looks amazing. It has been pre-plucked, and I'm going to go ahead and bleach my knots right quick. Okay, freshly washed. I did bleach my knots before. You see the little black dots. See that after? So I'm going to use this TaylorMade lace tint. And right before I install, I'm going to make sure I press everything back. Okay, so jumping right into this video, I already have my ball cap down. So I'm going to be trying something new. I tried it in my last video, but this time I think I have it down pat. How to melt your wig down, baby. Let's plop it on our head. That's where it's going to be. Okay, so for this install, I'll be using these two products here. You need some type of lace adhesive, and then you need some type of holding spray. Okay. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is cut my ear tabs. So about here, part around to cut this area right here. Right there in between the part. And just cut this up. See, that's how much I cut off. And now I'll be able to swoop it up behind my ear. Same amount over here. Alright, so now the next step, we'll go ahead and pull this back. But usually I'll add glue around my hairline and even like on my skin. But this time I'm only going to add glue to the ball cap. And then whatever is still lifting, I will add holding spray. So let's do the glue first. So pull this down. Okay, that look good. And I'm going to go ahead and use my melt band that they sent me. Okay, that should be good enough. Let's take that back off. Now, this is the trick. This is the secret. Take your Got2b glue spray, and we're going to spray the entire hairline. It's going to look wet. That's fine. And then we'll blow dry it. That's right. And the final part. Okay, so let me go ahead and straighten it. This straightener here, this brush straightener, I got it from Amazon. I don't have a link for it, but just type in brush straightener. Baby, you will not be disappointed. $10 will save you so much time. And look how clean my part is. It looks so good. Flat, bulky. Alright, y'all. All done straightening my hair. This baby is bone straight. Alright, let's see what the hype is about up here. Yeah, buddy. Bruh. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with West Kid's hair. What? Perfect.
Hey, it's nice outside.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so you see like it has a little cast right here at the edge. I'm just going to spray it down with Got To Be glue spray, and if it's still white, I'm gonna add makeup. Okay, y'all, my hair is laid, baby. Look. Watch me work. Oh, no, she didn't. See, that's why I don't get on Instagram. I'm trying to get the reels. No, she did not. What is going on here? I gotta unfollow you. I don't like stuff like that on my timeline. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys me doing my baby hair. And I'm actually filming on Instagram Reels, so I'm gonna be looking right here. Baby, this is the best my install has ever been. Glue, holding spray. If you want to stop here, definitely stop here, girl. This is for you. Baby hair. I got distracted. Forgot I bought this. How old is this shit from this hair store? What? First of all, listen to Ramon's car. Pull off already. While you out there, come open this up. Let's get this part down here because you disappeared. Where you at? Okay, yeah, let's bring you back. Okay, I told him when he get out there, just pull off. Now he got to ramble the engine. Okay, and I'll go ahead and pull out my two pieces. Separate all these hairs. They need to be separated. That's key. Wow. Okay, give me a little side. And do that too so it ain't crunchy. I'm gonna go ahead and hit you too. I have to be able to spread these thin. I'm using this. I got this from the hair store. Ruby Kisses Matte in the shade 14. Get all up in there. Let me get this powder right here off. Okay, so now you see it's starting to get real scalpish. Put a little grease on here on my water rag. When I used to get my hair done in elementary school, before I started doing it myself in elementary school, when my mom did my hair, she would put water and grease. Fry this back. Yes, look how scalpish. Scalp. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. And my camera is about ready to die. Please don't die. Please just let me swoop a dupe first. Okay, we're gonna cut this at an angle. I ain't cut it too short. I had a brain fart. I don't know. I forgot. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to go with my Shears Foam glue. Put it just at the top. That's what I'm talking about. Spread those hairs though. Yeah, like I feel so pretty in this hot pink dress with my bust down middle part and 26 inches, girl. Blessed. All right, I'm out. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this one down below. All right.